Usually I don't record videos and talk in them at the same time, but I've been seeing videos and I guess influence lately, and it's taking thought. So I live on Earth with everybody else, and I take care of basically like the purest, rawest form of Mother Nature. But the Mother Nature will take me out and everyone else out one day. And I don't know how that will happen, but it's kind of bizarre to think about. Um, but if Mother Nature is going to take us out before she takes herself out, and this plastic doesn't benefit her, but I'm growing the purest form of her in it, it's like, is it really all real? Will I get benefit from this? Like, I come out here and I can look at them and feel better, but I don't get really benefit from this, I guess, because I'm gonna die, and so will everyone else. And I'm obligated to do things. I start school tomorrow, but it's like, fuck off. The whole the whole thing I'm projecting to you about is coming from like a 2x3 space that's called my head, and it sits in there. So